The Deductions Categories page can be found by going to the Payroll Settings tab, here or here. This page allows you to set up specific deduction categories which can be tailored to the needs of your business. You'll notice there are a number of default deduction categories that exist when creating a new business. Most settings within these default categories are not editable. The system default categories will have the system tag as shown here. Just a note on this, the system default categories that you're seeing here are available in businesses that were created after the 18th of February 2021. If your business was created prior to this day, your screen may look a little different. In order to edit a deduction category, you can click on the name of the category. You'll notice some fields are highlighted in grey. This is to indicate that they are not editable. In order to add a new deduction category, click the Add button onto the right of the screen. You'll need to enter a name for the category, a deduction type by clicking on the drop-down and selecting out of pre-tax, post-tax, or RESC. If an external ID is used that hasn't been used before, you're able to enter an external ID. This is handy for the scenario where you're importing timesheets and you'd like to add deductions to the timesheet file. If an external ID is used that has been used before, you won't be able to save it if the Unique External ID setting is switched on. This setting is located on the Payroll Settings Advanced Settings page. The classification field, when clicked on, will show you the different classifications that you're able to choose for the deduction. You can select from default, union or professional association fees, workplace giving, child support deduction, or child support garnishee. Once you've got those settings correct, you can click Save. Once you have set up your deduction categories, they will now be available to be assigned to employees via their employee file Pay Run Inclusions page. At this stage, deduction categories cannot be imported, so they'll need to be added manually by following the process we've just seen. That's it for the Deduction Categories page.